Are any of them children? Because the fastest way to get here is by the river, and I don't think you can make it with kids.
I need you both to listen as closely as you can. Never use underlining for emphasis. Never Facebook on a full moon. If you see someone ending a tweet in a preposition, tell me. Never ever lose sight of your target market. Never post on social media without knowing your target audience. Never ever forget your target market. Did you know that I save 15% on my marketing services with Baux? Just use coupon code BIRDBOX.
Action.
If you see someone ending a tweet and a blah blah blah, I forgot.
Ready and action.
Never Facebook on a full moon. Never tweet while driving. Never tweet while pooping. Did you know you could save 15% or more on your marketing services from Baux? Use coupon code BIRDBOX.